Welcome aboard the 2024 Aquila 36 Sport. I'm Chris Honig, and today I'm going to give you a walkthrough of this incredible boat. We are now on the transom of the Aquila 36 Sport. I wanted to point out how wide the beam is on the Aquilas. That's what they're known for. Incredible power catamarans. We have the twin 300 V8s powering this boat. It's almost zero time to plane because of the catamaran hull design. Underneath me is a huge dive ladder that folds out. Big rail behind, so easy access on and off the boat. And then a really nice aft seat in our storm gray upgraded interior upholstery with the stitching. This will actually fold out into a huge sun pad as well. So some great seating options on the transom. Let's head up to the cockpit and check out everything else up here. We are now underneath the massive 14.7-foot hardtop on this Aquila 36 Sport. The beautiful galley I wanted to point out first. On your starboard side, we have the Kenyan electric grill, fridge freezer combo, sink, and trash can storage underneath. So a great kitchen prep area with the Korean countertops all throughout. The beautiful full windshield was an option that we did on this boat. So you have your side windows, full windshield, and then your bow is a full windshield as well. Have access to wind with your manual sunroofs, and then a entryway will be opened up for easy access to your bow. We're going to now transition to the port side of the boat, which is some great interior with seating, a nice high-low table for all your dinners, and then we'll lower down in with a filler cushion to create a really nice sleeping berth, or kind of a day berth area. But I wanted you to take notice, when this flips, now you have really nice reverse lounge seating, and then flips forward for two people to sit when you're underway. At the helm on the starboard side, we've outfitted this with the Raymarine GPS chart plotter. That's the 12-inch screen on there. And then we did VHF radio, Mercury vessel view, remote spotlight, and we have the all-new throttle system by Mercury, which gives you start, stop, and active engine trim, and then your Mercury joystick, which will give you skyhook, autopilot, and auto heading all integrated into there. But a very nice wide double helm seat for you and your co-pilot, and then excellent visibility with all your full glass windshield. Now we're going to take a look at the dual berths down below. One of my favorite features aboard the Aquila 36 Sport is your dual mirrored image cabins down below. With the 14.7-foot wide beam, you have some really nice space and headroom, even with me being 6'3", down below with your aft head and then forward berth areas. So let's take a look down below at those. As we walk through the helm, we are now in the bow area, which has one of the best seating layouts in the entire boat. We've conformed the port side seating into the lounge seating setup, which you can see here. Can fit two people laying out very comfortably. And then on the starboard side, I set it up as our underway layout. So you have four people that can sit very comfortably here underway. Big rails all throughout the bow, so it keeps everybody contained into the boat. And then you have windlass anchor set up, and then a bow ladder will come off with your easy approach off. So this boat only drafts 2 feet of water, so you can nudge up onto sandbars and be able to walk on and off the boat very easily that way. I hope you enjoyed our tour of the Aquila 36 Sport. Again, I'm Chris Honig, and I'd love to get you out on the water today. I can be reached at 910-256-8100, and hope you all have a great day.